Don't let the lack of an extensive garden or yard keep you from enjoying a homegrown harvest. Try your hands at the herbs you can grow in big wine glasses and mason jars and grow fresh herbs in your kitchen. Number 1. Chives. Chives is a low-maintenance perennial herb that can easily thrive in mason jars. Place it on a sunny windowsill for the best flavor. Number 2. Cilantro. The aromatic herb is noted for the fresh, citrusy flavor it adds to cuisines. Although the herb can grow up to 2 feet in height, it can be cultivated in small batches in big wine glasses and mason jars. You can also start this herb easily from a store-bought cutting. Number 3. Parsley. Parsley has a pungent, peppery flavor that grows up to 6 to 12 inches. Grow the herb in 6 to 8 inch deep jars and harvest the leaves when they grow 4 to 6 inches in length. Number 4. Thyme. Thyme can grow anywhere between 5 and 12 inches and can be harvested once it grows 5 to 6 inches high. Grow the herb in a well-draining medium under full sun. Number 5. Basil. Basil can thrive well in big mason jars if you provide the herb with a moist growing medium. Just protect the plant from the harsh afternoon sun. The best part is you can also grow it easily in just water. All you need is a mason jar, basil cuttings, and water. That's it. Number 6. Mint. Mint can grow really well in small spaces such as large wine glasses and jars. The best part? You can easily cultivate the herb hydroponically too. Number 7. Watercress. This easy-to-care herb is a must-have if you're planning a mason jar garden. Watercress, with its shallow root system, will easily thrive in wine glasses and mason jars. Number 8. Marjoram. Marjoram grows shallow roots, making it suitable for growing in jars and wine glasses. Grow the herb at a location that receives 5 to 6 hours of bright, direct sunlight. Number 9. Oregano. Noted for its peppery, bitter taste, oregano is counted among the most used herbs globally. You can easily grow the herb in mason jars at a spot that receives 3 to 4 hours of direct sun. Number 10. Sage. Sage adds a peppery flavor to cuisines and can be harvested once the herb starts producing true leaves. It can easily thrive in a deep mason jar thanks to its shallow roots. Number 11. Epazote. The minimal care needs of the herb make it ideal for growing in big wine glasses and mason jars. All you need is to provide it with a moist medium and plenty of sunlight. Number 12. Betel Leaf. This herb can easily grow in mason jars or big wine glasses. You can add its fresh leaves in curries or salads, or chew them as a mouth freshener too. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.